Hello, Ms. Bass here with your instructions for today. Today you are going to take a quiz. So your quiz, first of all, you're going to complete your actividad inicial. It says in the space provided below. That means here in this text entry box. You're going to respond to this question in a complete sentence. So you just put it right there. And then you proceed to complete the quiz. So we have quiz 3B-1 today. In the first part, it says match the sentence about foods in the list with the pictures given in each question. So I'm giving you a picture per question. Here's question 1. And then I give you a list of statements about food, sentences about food. You're going to select the one that you think talks about this item in the picture. So you're going to do that for 10 different pictures. Okay? There's your 10 pictures. Then you say, decide if the following sentences about food are true or false. So you're going to read what it says, and then you're going to tell me if it's true, cierto, or false, falso. Okay? You have 8 of those. And then I gave you this word bank where you have 2, 4, 6, and 8 words, and you have 8 questions here, and there are some blanks. So right here, where it says you answer, you're going to type the word that you consider goes in that sentence. So you're going to pick one word from here. Please be very careful. If you need a capital or if you need to add something, don't forget you have special characters like in this one. You need to put it right here. So you type your word right here. I gave different options. So you just need to type the word. All right, so that is your quiz. Then we're going to practice the plural nouns. That's another topic that we have for this chapter. We're going to do this activity, actividad 3B-5. And it is a Word document. This Word document is going to... You're going to fill in the blanks. We're going to do it together. Just double check. And then we have the sentences that we're going to complete like we did in the previous class. So we complete the sentences together. So we're sure that they are right. Then you have your actividad 3B-6. In your actividad 3B-6, you have this form. And you are going to talk about, we're going to practice the verb ser. That is what we are learning in this chapter. And this is just to close up with this chapter. So you're going to select what goes in here. What form of the verb ser? These are all the forms of the verb ser. That is an irregular verb. And you're going to tell me which one goes here. And then you're going to complete answer to question. So, for example, you have ¿Cómo es él? And then you're going to give a complete answer. Now, give me 1 second. Okay, I'm back. I have forgot to put the pictures, but now the pictures are there. So, you see, you complete this sentence with one of the forms of the verb, and then you type a complete sentence to answer this question, because this is a question. So, you're going to say, what is it? And we're going to work together on this one. Same with this one. For all of them, it's the same. So you first complete the question, and then you answer the question. Complete the question, answer the question, and then you submit. And that's what we're doing today. We hopefully finish our chapter 3B today, and we can start with our chapter 4A next class. And so I'll see you in class. Adios.